Get it.
All right, folks, it's time to check on the bees. We're going to be adding a super, so they have another 10 frames to work with. So, let's see what happens.
It's really late in the evening, so we're hoping they'll just be calm enough to where we can work with them, give them some extra.
Yeah, it's past time
Oh yeah, look at that.
to add that. We got to cut that comb out of there, unfortunately. So I'm going to take this box off. Oh, they've got that sealed in good. Make sure Queen's not on there.
Yeah, that would not be good.
I don't see her there, do you?
I don't.
Okay.
Do you want me to hold that piece while you get the other box up?
I don't see the Queen, so I'm going to go ahead and just set this down. They'll come off it.
Okay.
Go back in the hive. I don't know if we should look in there at some of these or what. I kind of want to. Huh?
Yeah.
Let's open up one of these, see what we get.
I think we've angered them.
These don't look like they have anything. They don't. That's an empty frame.
But they still want to go up though, right?
So they're starting on that one. That's good. This one's going to be nice. Look at that. Holy crap. Excuse my language. Yeah, these are looking good. Oh yeah. Lots of brood in there. So,
They're not too mad at us.
No, they're doing fine. Just want to get them off there.
Yeah.
All right, let's go ahead and add another super. Oh, there's a mushed bee.
Mm.
Oh well. Does it look good?
That looks good. Are you putting that big top box on again, or?
No. Nope, we're all done with that.
We're gonna put that back.
Oh no, hopefully that's not the Queen down there. I don't think so. I want to bring this piece of comb in.
Okay.
I'm trying to get the bees off it. No, she wouldn't be there. It's just the bees that are making it.
Sorry guys, I was trying to
It's empty.
look at the bees that were down.
Okay, that's all. They're still down there.
Yeah, they're still down there.
All right, we'll go ahead and put the cover on. Come on, guys. Girls. All right, now. Oh, get off there. All right, so.
You take that thing out of their entrance.
What thing? Not yet. What do I do with that big piece of comb?
It's right over in back of
Oh,
you.
there it is. Okay. So we'll go ahead and put the cover on. I'm going to take out the entrance reducer that we put in, because I think we've got enough bees now where we don't need it. Bunch of them on it. I'm just going to sit it here then. And we can take this tray out. Looks like a roach. It's dead now. Okay, so that was pretty easy. They were definitely ready for the other super where they were building that comb up like that. So that was it. Anybody out there knows more about bees than we do, which isn't hard to do. If you see anything that we're doing wrong or something that we should be doing, let us know. A couple people specifically I'm talking to, Kelly and Amy and Tina. That's who I'm talking to. If you see anything that we're doing wrong, just let us know. Other than that, that's about it today from the mountain. So God bless, and y'all have a good night.
Take care, guys.